Hello, friends. Hey, so it's just about 6:30. Or actually, it's probably past 6:30 now. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Hi, Judy. You got the tag. Got the tag. Uh-oh. I hope that's good. Oh, yes, you did. Oh, great. That's good. I'm like, what? Oh, yeah. Okay, great. So I'm going to talk about a couple things before we get into the actual project tonight because I have some stuff to show you. Hi, Stephanie. First, I want to talk about this really quick. This is the Ornate Garden Suite. This is brand new and it is coming up. And this is going to be part of our annual catalog that comes out in June that you guys get. And it is beautiful. Look at that. I just noticed this. If you guys can see that, do you see that ornate right there? And that, oh my goodness. I mean, the stamp sets alone are going to be super cute. Let me turn this around so you can see a little bit of it. The stamp sets alone are going to be cute. This is one of the stamp sets. And it has like a lot of cute sayings. Look at that font. You guys know how I am about fonts. The fonts are adorable. Stinking adorable on that. I'm not sure what this one is for. It says, I wasn't sure how to. So that'll be fun to figure out what that one is for. And then there's the paper that goes along with it, which is great. But then all of these, look at these dies. They are beautiful. I love them. This is going to be so, so pretty. I can see like Mother's Day cards with that. And then this stamp set here, look at this. So all you have to do is just color it in. Oh my goodness, so pretty. And then they're going to have some embossing folders with it. And also we're going to have some gilded gems and some ribbons, stuff like that. So that is going to be spectacular. And then I'm going to talk about really quick. You guys, don't forget that I am on a design team and I design projects for this. It's called the Simply Sweet Stampers. And I design projects with 8 other ladies. And we'll take a bundle and we'll do like something super simple that you guys can follow along on with all the measurements, all the supplies, everything you need is right here in this bundle. It's so awesome. And we are featuring the Birthday Bonanza Suite for this month. And I know some of my customers have this. You guys, it's so super simple. Super simple. If you want more information on that, you send me a PM or something like that, and we'll get together on that. Okay, so tonight we are going to be doing something super cute. We're going to use all these colors. Crushed Curry, Highland Heather, Melon Mambo, and Pear Pizzazz. We're using all of those colors, okay? And we are going to use, this is the Seriously the Best, and this stamp set right here is, this stamp set goes along with a kit in the catalog. You see here, it goes along with, I think it's towards the back here, but it's a beautiful kit. So it's a kit and it has this card box that comes with it and then you make all these cards. But this is a stamp set right here that it comes with. And so we're going to use this stamp set here because these were the sentiments on it are beautiful. Love it. And then we're also going to use the Thoughtful Blooms. And I used this the other day, but we're going to use the Thoughtful Blooms. And this is part of Celebration. And it goes along, it has a punch that goes along with it. It punches out these cute, super cute little flowers right here. So let's see what we're making tonight. I'm going to put this off to the side so that we can see what we're making. And whoops, we're going to need that. We are going to make some cards to a set. You guys know how much I love the sets, right? So here's the set, and we're going to make one more tonight. This is so simple, you guys. So super simple, but look how cute they are. And then I did the envelopes to go along with them. You can see those. And none of them are exactly the same, but they kind of are the same, but they're not exactly the same. So super stinking cute. And we just used the insides. We used all the tiny little flowers there. So cute. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started. And here's another envelope that goes with it. So let's see. All my envelopes are here. I want to put them all together. I was making a mess. So we're going to just go ahead and do it on the fly. They don't have to look exactly like. I'm going to move those back so that we could still see these here, right? All right. I want to thank everybody for coming and joining with me on this Facebook Live. It's been a minute since I've been here, so I'm glad that you guys are here to share the night with me. Definitely appreciate that. So I'm using a note card, and the note card size is 5 by 3, and I think it's 5 by 3.5. I want to double check. And that's 3, yeah, but 3.5 by 5. Okay. So we've got that ready. Now all we need to do is I have this, this side, this is like, it's not the hexagon, but let me see the exact name for what it's called. It's Stampin' Cut and Emboss. It's the Stitch Nestle dies. So we're going to use this one, which is not that one. It's this one, which goes straight in the middle of that one. I don't know what number it is, but I know it's this one. So hi, Cindy. Hi, Kathy. So I know it's this one, and I've already cut one out so that we can focus on stamping, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my Thoughtful Blooms. I have my Thoughtful Blooms, and I'm going to bring out this first heart, this first flower, and I'm just going to place it here. Yeah, I've got the flower there, and I already have mounted the thanks from this set, which is seriously the best, and this goes along with that stamp set, with the card stamp set. So we've got that. Actually, I'm going to put this up here because I don't want to lose anything. All right, and so what are we doing? So now what we're going to do is we're going to start with my other favorite color, which is Melamambo, which is this beautiful pink. And we're going to do some super stamping on here. I'm going to do this part first, and then I'll do the card. So I'm taking, can you guys see me? Maybe if I move up a little bit. There we go. You guys can see me. I am, excuse me, I'm taking this Melon Mambo, and I'm just stamping this little flower right here in a couple of places on my image, on my shape, which is this, excuse me, again, this is the die. So I'm stamping on the die, and I'm not going to do too many of these. This is pink. I'm just going to do a few of those. Okay. And it's okay because we're stamping off onto our grid paper with that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a wipe, and because I'm using another color, I'm just going to wipe this off, right? Hi, Cindy. Oh, I miss you too, sweetheart. Oh, my friend Cindy. Okay, so we have this color. We use the Melon Mambo, so I'm going to move that out of the way. Let's start here with, this is Highland Heather. And you see the Highland Heather in there. Can you guys see all the different variations there? Super, super pretty. And you guys, you don't have to make these to be exactly the same each time either. They can totally be different each time you stamp it. Right? Because now I don't have any one of these that look exactly alike. Like one doesn't look like the other. So, and which is totally fine. That's okay. So from each time I use another color, I'm going to wipe my stamp off. And then I'm going to put in another color. And this time I'm going to use this beautiful crushed curry. And I'm going to stamp here and use a big crushed curry. And then do stamp a little bit off on the other sides, right? That is cute. Super cute. You guys, you pick out like 3 colors or so and then just put them together. And now what I'm going to do, excuse me, I'm going to wipe this off again. I'm over here wiping it off, sorry. Wiping that off. And then I'm going to use a different stamp. I'm going to probably use one of the smaller ones. So I'm going to put this one back. and then use the smaller one to come in and kind of fill in. Oh, good. I'm glad. I'm glad the tagging worked. That's different. It was different. It just said do it. And I was like, okay, I'll do it. So, all right. So I'm putting these cute little flowers in here. Now this one is a smaller one, so it just fits on the inside. Super cute. There we go. And we don't need too many. Right? And so, guys, this part is done. This whole thing is done. Look at that. Easy, right? So that part is done. We don't even need that anymore. We have, these are cards that we're doing. We've got our card base here. Oh, we're going to turn it this way because this is how we're doing it. And this one, I chose this one because this one actually fits like from top to bottom perfectly. So you don't have to put an outside around it. I'm not saying you don't have to, but you I mean, you don't have to, but you can if you want to, but it would have to be really small. You might have to cut off. You might have to cut off some of it so that it fits a little bit closer. So I didn't do one, but you are more than welcome to, of course. You can do one if you like. So easy. We're going to just get this together because we're going to stamp first and then we're going to put this on. So this is all ready to go. So now here, this is what I did when I wanted to stamp on the paper. Hold on one second. I always get online and for some reason my voice just goes. So sorry about that. Okay. So we're going to take this. This is our note card. And I'm going to line it up right here with one of the lines. I'm going to move these over because I don't want to get those messy. And then I'm going to use my Highland Heather, which is like I guess it's like the dominant color here. Move those. And we are going to, let's move those over there. We're going to need those in a minute. Let's ink up our thank you. And our thank you is from this stamp set. Seriously the best. Because you guys are seriously the best. All right, so we have this. Hi, Sonia. Thank you for sharing. Thank you. Okay. So I have this down here, and I kind of know that I want this a little bit higher. I don't have like an actual measurement. So if I put this down on there, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go to number 8, right? And then we'll put this down on here on 8. Hi, Shannon. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. That's what I love about these big, bold stamps. The impression is beautifully. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Okay, so that's our purple. And that's actually all the stamping you really have to do. Until you get ready to do your inside, you really don't have to do any more stamping. Okay, so now what we're doing, we want to put down our yellow, our Daffodil Delight there. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the tear tape, and I'm just putting it right underneath. It's right underneath there. And then I'm going to bring in my scissors. And I'm going to cut right there. Hi, Mary Lee. And I'm going to cut. So I'm just cutting the sides off of the tear tape. All right. Don't want any stickies anywhere. Let's put that right there. And then I'm just going to push this down so that it is good and stuck on there. Then I'm going to lift up my tear tape. And my tear tape now is exposed so that I can put my ribbon on. So I have my ribbon here. And aren't these colors are so springy. I love it. I love the colors. Okay, so now I'm going to put down my ribbon. And so I have this ribbon on here. I'm not going to press down too hard because I don't want them, I don't want it too flat. Okay, so I didn't press down too hard. And then I'm just going to snip right there, turn it around and snip off the other side. And that part is done. Another part is totally done. Beautiful. That came out so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to take off the back. Do you guys see how quickly these projects come together? I love it when they come together so, so easily. It's just amazing. So let's see. Yeah, that looks good. We could do it this way too. So you see how there's more purple on this side? If I did it this way, all the purple kind of runs together. If we do it this way, it's a little bit different. So let's put this here. Pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. Love it. Oh my goodness. Hi, Cheryl. So this ribbon is the Daffodil Delight Roche ribbon, I believe they call it. I can get that for you, Cindy. Get that information for you. And there is the ribbon. Beautiful. And then we're going to use these cute little dots here because I'm just about done with them. So I just figured I'd use the rest of them up. And we're just going to put, put them randomly on just around the things. And how cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so look. Now, wait, let me put a good crease in this so that the card stays closed. We have 1, 2. And you guys, none of these cards look exactly alike. If you look at them, none of them are exactly alike. These two might be because this one and this one, because of the little flowers there, but they're still not exactly alike. Cute. And then they all have envelopes that go with them. Wouldn't that be perfect for spring? I think that would be a beautiful spring gift. No kidding. Just adorable. Just adorable. Well, that's my project for today, you guys. Let me know you liked it or if you didn't like it. But let me know you liked it. And I will talk to you guys next week. That's my spiel for the night. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I will see you next week at the same time, 6:30. And we'll do another project together. Thanks a lot. See you again. Bye.